Welcome, in front of me is an iPhone, and in this video I will show you a cool trick called back tap that will allow you to do some quick actions, or maybe even use some shortcuts using back tapping on your smartphone. To enable this feature, you have to go to Settings, find Accessibility Settings, then go to Touch. Scroll all the way down, select back tap, and for example, let's set a camera by double tapping the back of the phone. Now once we select the camera, we can even lock the phone, and now double tap your device, and this will enable the camera. Well, since the phone is locked, the camera didn't enable. But as you can see, it works smoothly, and it can help you in many situations. For example, you can replace the camera with let's go to Accessibility, Touch, and back tap. Let's replace the camera with the flashlight, so that you can enable flashlight at any moment simply by double tapping the back of your device. Again, I locked the phone, and as you can see, it works pretty smoothly even for older versions. And by double tapping it again, you disable the camera, and that's a great feature to know about. So I hope that you find it such too, and if you do, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.